recently purchased a new iPhone and it has an edge-to-edge display, you may need a little bit of help with the essential gestures. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all the essential gestures that you must use on the newer iPhones. Before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This video is sponsored by SetTap, an incredible cross-platform suite which gives you access to over 200 iOS and macOS applications without any additional cost. You only need to pay for your subscription and choose the apps that you would like to use. Now, a great benefit is that you can start a 7-day trial for free when you use the link listed down below in the description. So starting off, the first gesture that you must know is the swipe up to unlock. So let me lock my iPhone. And if I want to unlock it, I will simply swipe up. And that's it. Now, if you're using an application and you want to exit this application, simply swipe up again. And if you swipe up and hold kind of in the middle, you have access to all the applications that you currently have open. If by any chance you want to close any of these applications, you can simply swipe up again. So now I'm going to tap to go back to the home screen. And if you want to access the notification center, swipe down from the middle to access it. And if your iPhone is locked, you can swipe up with your finger to access notification center. And last but not least, there are two gestures that I use all the time. The first one is to access the control center. To do this, simply swipe down from the top right corner of the display, and here you'll have the control center to have access to all of these controls. And if by any chance you want to add or remove any of these controls, simply go to Settings, Control Center, and press on the minus sign to remove or the plus sign to add a new control. And when you access it again, you'll see that the new control was added. And the final gesture is the one to search for specific apps. I do this all the time that I need to open a new application. It's really rare for me to press on the application to open it. So simply swipe down and then you can type the name of the app that you want to open. So let's say that I want to open Instagram. I can simply type Instagram and open it through here. And these are the gestures that you must use on the newer iPhones with an edge-to-edge display. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.